Lung cancer is the #1 cancer in Taiwan. The Stephen J. Solarz Memorial International Laboratory is a joint Taiwan and US laboratory established in 2019 in Taiwan that focuses on lung cancer research. The National Cancer Institute and Stephen J. Solarz Memorial Fund is in Taiwan to share their latest research and hopes for future collaboration with Taiwan. Our reporter Stephany Yang has the details.
Lung cancer is ranked #1 in the top 10 causes of cancer in Taiwan, and also among the most fatal cancers in the US. Most patients in Taiwan and the US are diagnosed with lung adenocarcinoma, but there are big differences in gene mutations. Therefore, identifying the type of gene mutation is important for doctors.
Aside from the standard ones such as EGFR and some of the other driver mutations, there are other mutations that are associated with cigarette smoke and with environmental carcinogenesis that I think are certainly targets that we would like to be able to identify and treat.
The Stephen J. Solarz International Laboratory was established in 2019 at the Taipei Veterans General Hospital. Through the collaboration between Taipei Veterans General Hospital, National Yangming Jiao Tong University, and the U.S. National Cancer Institute. Its aim is to explore the differences in cancer genes between Westerners and Asians. The three teams focus their research on lung cancer stem cells, lung cancer tumor immunomodulation, and biomarkers for developing precision medicine for lung cancer. They hope to study and develop more clinical treatment methods by understanding the factors that cause these differences. The National Cancer Institute and Stephen J. Solarz Memorial Fund are now in Taiwan to share their latest research and new tools.
Well, the work that we've been doing is primarily involved with the development of a cancer vaccine that we initially developed in our laboratory with the support of the Solarz Fund. The other things that we have been doing is to try to model lung cancer and esophageal cancer using induced pluripotent stem cells. And this has actually allowed us to identify new targets and identify new drugs that we can use that hopefully will be more effective in the future.
The major direction between the three institutes complementary, and I think that both all the topics are very important for the future development of cancer, novel cancer treatment.
And also in TVGH, Taipei Veterans General Hospital, and the National Chiao Tung University, we're working on the epigenetic immunotherapies for lung cancer, and also collaborate with regenerative medicine to reconstruct the whole thoracic, including pulmonary organoid environment to help. Not only from the treatments, but also to can recovery the whole pulmonary environment for the lung cancer patients.
We have the heavy ion radiation therapy, and it's very successful so far. And I think maybe it's a new tool, and also it's a very powerful tool to join this study. I think it's promising.
Stephen J. Solarz served as a member of the United States House of Representatives for nearly 20 years. He introduced several bills in Congress in support of Taiwan. After Solarz passed away, his wife Nina K. Solarz established a foundation to support the National Cancer Institute of the United States in cancer research. Solarz's stepson, Randy Glantz, is a chairman of the Stephen J. Solarz Memorial Fund, and he expressed his hope to continue his stepfather's legacy and for the laboratory to help more people around the world.
My stepfather, Stephen Solarz, who had a very strong tie to the nation of Taiwan dating back to the 1970s, and it's nice for my family to be able to continue this tradition. We look forward not only to improving the lives of the Taiwanese people, but eventually people around the world.
The commitment is to really extend the vision that Congress Solarz had from the very, very beginning.
Through the joint collaboration, the three teams hope to expand their research from not only lung cancer, but also other cancers to help more people around the world. FTV reporter Stephany Yang and Dai Yalun in Taipei.